Good morning, students. Today we'll continue our geography lesson 1, and today we'll read about land degradation and conservation method. Now, students, we all know that we live on the land. We have shared our land with our previous generation or past generation. We are sharing with our present generation, and we will be sharing with our coming generation. And 95% of our basic needs which we need in our daily life we get from the land. But there are various human activities which has made the land to lose its quality. That is, the land has been degraded by various human activities. At present in our country we have about 130 million hectares of land which have been degraded. Now, among that, 28% belongs to the forest area. Apart from that, 56% belong to the water eroded area, that is soil erosion. Now, some activities which are leading to the which are leading to the land degradation, like grazing, overgrazing, deforestation, mining, quarrying, mineral processing industries, etc. But apart from all these activity, mining is main responsible for the land degradation in India. Now let us see how mining is responsible. Now, to do mining activity, first of all we need to clear down the forest. That is, we have to cut down the forest, which is known as deforestation. When deforestation is taking place, directly soil is getting eroded from that area and it is getting degraded. Apart from that, when the mining activity takes place, the soil become loose, the waste mining product will be thrown over there, which also lead to the land degradation. Now, there are various states in India which are rich in cattle wealth. Now, in those states we find overgrazing. Overgrazing is the main reason or factor of the soil or land degradation. This mostly happens in the states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, etc. Now, apart from that, we see over irrigation is also one of the reason for the land degradation. In the states like Punjab, Haryana, Western UP, the farmers use excess of water for the irrigation. This excess of water leads to the land degradation because this excess of water or water logging lead to the increase of salinity and alkalinity in the soil. Now, not only in this, we have so many industries and factories in our country. The mineral processing, like grinding up limestone for cement industry, calcite and soapstone for ceramic industry, these all generate huge quantity of dust in the atmosphere, which leads to the air pollution. Apart from that, there are various industries which directly dispose or discharge their waste into the reservoirs, rivers, or in the open field, which leads to the water and soil pollution. Directly or indirectly, land is being degraded. Now, if it continues, then very soon we may lose our major part of land and they will be being degraded and cannot be used for any agriculture activity. So, to protect them, conserve them, we have to follow certain protective measures, like we have to do afforestation, nothing but you have to plant more and more trees. Now, Afforestation leads to the increasing of the, or we can say increasing of the oxygen. It purifies the air, reduces the air pollution, and even controls the soil erosion. Now after afforestation, we can see we can minimize the grazing of animals. Open grazing should be reduced. Now we have to plant trees in the waste lands, that is the where we don't do agriculture, around our houses, factories, schools, various educational institutions, so that we can increase the greenery. We have to do shelter belts around the fields, the boundary line of the fields. You must grow various plants so that the roots of these plants holds the soil and they will not allow the soil to move away. The soil erosion will be reduced. Apart from that, these industries which are causing pollution, the water should be treated and it should be filtered before being discharged into the reservoirs or the rivers. In this way, we can reduce the land degradation and we can protect our land for the future generation. So students, that's all for today. We'll continue tomorrow.